Hello to everyone from Sergio Vini. Today I'm going to do a very short video, but very important video to show you a real DeFi against, scam, against, a fake DeFi of a fake smart contract, okay? Before I start, I'm going to put the glasses on. I'm going to put the disclaimer. Just a second. Okay, before a quick note, everything I share in this video is for informational purpose only and does not constitute financial advice. It is based on my personal experience. The world of cryptocurrency is exciting, but it is also important to stay informed. Always do your research before making any decision. Okay, let's take away this one. So what I'm gonna show you today, it's exact this, okay? Let's put this on the side, okay? Okay, how many times have you heard about DeFi platform and mostly as smart contracts and wondered, it is safe or it is just another, scheme? There's so many out there. If you're not experienced, you may fall for them, okay? So in this video I show you the 3 things I always check before moving a single dollar, okay? So the first thing is a visible smart contract, okay? So to see if there is a real smart contract, you must go inside the blockchain. I will show you later on, and see if there is a real smart contract, okay? Even if you're not an expert, you want to see for how long it's been active. So if you see a smart contract that they tell it makes you millions and millions and millions of dollars, but it is just 1 week that is open, wow, it is better to stay away from it because it's not really, it didn't prove anything, okay? So the second thing I look, that there must be no admin that can touch the money. In this case, the crypto or the USDT or USDC or whatever program or whatever ecosystem is, there must be absolutely no admin. I'll show you how to do it. And you must do that in a deep, check. Okay, you must say, oh yes, this firm certified it's okay for me. No, you must be really sure that there is no wallet admin that is going to be able to eventually withdraw from the contract. Okay, and then the third thing, which is one of the most important, where the profit come from. How many smart contracts you have done that they tell you they do trading, they do this, they do that, and then there is no transparency. They say they do trading and then they say they cannot show you the book because then the people are going to copy. Come on. So if it doesn't have those 3 things, okay, if the smart contract is not visible and if the smart contract is visible but he has only a week or maybe a month, stay away from it, okay? If there is no proof that there is no admin wallet that is going to be able to withdraw even 1 cent, you must do a deep check. This is not for you. And this is 99% of the business which has no business. They don't show you the transparency where the profit comes from. So if they don't show you in any transparent way where the profit comes from, if even one of those points are missing, run away, run away, run away, miles away, okay? So now I show you how Bitnest, which is a pure ecosystem, it's not a simple smart contract, passes all those tests. I'm not going to go to the details because you will see on my playlist on the English video, you will have videos for each details, which, you know, the most clever one will go and have a look, passes all the tests and goes much farther. Okay, I'm gonna show you live. So Bitnest has been active for over 2 years and 2 months. Okay, so let's go here. So if I click on the contract, okay, this is the contract, this is the pool linked to the contract. As you can see, I click it, those are real millions, they're not candies, okay? I click on it, it's really, you know, is linked, it's just an interface. Nobody can close this system, okay? It's just an interface that interact with the blockchain. As you can see, I've clicked on it. This is the number 3121. As you can see, nobody can you know, manipulate the blockchain. This has been created 2 years and 102 days. So I cannot fake it, this, okay? So let's go and have a look. The Bitnest smart contract has found or are locked in the smart contract blockchain. As you have seen, I click it here, 32 millions, you got here 32 millions. There's always a difference because you know, there's leasing always. Okay, so this is more transparent than this. You cannot have it. Okay, so let's go and have a look here. There is an independent audit by Certic. So when you're going to see other business, they say it has been certified by X or Y or whatever. Certic is the number one, no, it's number 15. The number one firm in the world is certified companies. Certic has certified Binance, who does millions and millions and millions of dollars. Where you can see this, you can go with on my YouTube channel. You got video in English, video in Italian. You join my YouTube channel. You click on playlist. You go on the English playlist. This is proof of withdrawal live. You never saw proof like this in your life, okay? You go down here. If you want to see about the certification, you go here, audit about Certic, you go there, but you never have in your life, even if Certic is number one in the world, okay, give all the credit to the company who certified, you know, the smart contract, because as you can see, I say here, Certic is certified, and there is no admin, okay? So if we go see the contract, so this is 2121, this is the contract, okay? And you can see this is Bitnest, so as a real smart contract, when there is a green dot, it has been closed. So even if Certic, which is the number one in the world, you will see my video, there's certified Bitnest, there's millions and millions and millions of dollars. You want to go deeper, so you copy this address, you go here to DeFi World, which is a third party, it's nothing to do with Bitnest. You link here the contract and you go, okay, you see here Bitnest, you click on it, you let it work. This is the third party, it's nothing to do with Bitnest, okay? 97% secure, no wallet, nobody, no withdrawal function, no one can even come close to this real ecosystem, okay? Let's go here. So if you want to dig down on Certic, there are the documents and everywhere, and as you can see in front of you, the third verification myself, and even outsider firm, they say this is clean, you know, this is clean. Are the profit traceable real time like in PancakeSwap, which no one of the business you're doing, no one of the business you have done before, no one of the business you will do tomorrow, they show you. Here is the contract. Here's the 3-1. Let's go back here. I'm going to do it again for you. You have seen here, there is nothing wrong. Everything run like a Swiss watch. So let's go back here and let's click again on the money. Those are real money. USDT and USDC, they're the same value of dollars. Okay, you see here 32 million. If you see the number here 3121 and start 0x92, you see 0x92 31. This is the exact pool, and this is a Bitnest. It's not from your friend that we ran away with a suitcase in Dubai, okay? Though this is a pool, USDT and USDC. Anyone in the world want to do leasing, DeFi, whatever you want. I remind you that on DeFi there are millions and millions and millions locked in real smart contract, an ecosystem like Bitnest. Here we changed USDT and USDC. Everyone who needs those to do the smart contract, they must come here. They don't go in a show, in the pub next to your house. Okay, they must come here. When they come here, we have the biggest pool in the world. When you click on fees, okay, as you can see, those are all earnings we do every minute. 3K, 60, 2K, 1K, 3K, 2K. Those are just the fee. Here there is no risk because there is not a exchange from Bitcoin and Ethereum. One goes up, one goes down. $1 is USDT, $1 USDC, so you can sleep, like a baby. And here has been going on since 2 years and 102 days. The blockchain says which cannot be, corrupted. Okay. Of course, make money in other ways, with slippage, with the bridge, with the leasing, but this, even a baby of 5 years old, understand the money are coming. You see here, those are just the money that are coming live. No one business that you've done, no one business that you will do will ever show you where the money comes from. We all know it, okay? In addition, okay, let's wait. In addition, Bitnest is the only ecosystem, let me remind you this, is the only ecosystem where your funds, if you put 1,000 bucks, are automatically insured. When you go to my YouTube, you will join my YouTube, you will click on the English playlist, you will go here and you will find the video about insurance, okay? Security, compound, first business world offer free insurance. Here there is the contract and everything. No other business in the world you have ever that they give you the insurance. Bitnest does. And it does for 2 years and 100 days, and it pays for 2 years, 100 days, no stop. You will not find one soul from China, United States, Italy, Germany that hasn't been paid from this system automatically. Okay? You have even to request the withdrawal. You see many videos in my videos in English and Italian prove that I receive the money automatically in my wallet, even if I'm, at dinner, at the sea, at the mountain. With Bitnest, this is one of the reason which is not a scam, you can even start and test and put your feet on the water with just $1. What other scam asks you come with $1? You can come with $1 and test all the progress inside, okay? Here, the maximum you can put your USDT in is not 5 years, then the guy goes away with the suitcase, okay? It's 28 days. You cannot put your money more than 28 days. You can put for 1 day, you can put for 5 hours, no problem, okay? So you can test with $1, okay? What are the scams out there that you are doing right now and that you will do tomorrow? We do that. And what other business out there is paying from 2 years and 2 months and it is transparent like this one? Bitnest is not a smart contract. It's a real ecosystem, and in the coming months, many other revenue streams are coming in. I will show you a video with many revenue streams, the coin, the exchange, the DEX, the DAO, many other key things that will put on top of those things that are already solid, that already been paying for 2 months and more. So if you want to continue, if you want to dig on it, every other video there is, of course, on my playlist there is a video. There are many proofs. There are how you can invest, how you can start. There are my contacts. You can contact me. I will take you by the end, and I will show you how to start. Okay. Bye from Sergio. Until next time. Have a lovely day.